James Oglethorpe, Chapter 4. Saving Georgia. Colonists tried growing many types of plants. Oglethorpe thought the weather in Georgia would be like the weather in Spain. Olives grew well in Spain. Georgia is warmer than Spain, however, and gets more rain. Crops such as olives do well in drier areas. People in Georgia learned to grow other kinds of plants such as peaches. This graph right here shows that Savannah gets much more rain than Spain. Savannah, Georgia gets about a little bit over 7 inches of rain, whereas Spain hardly gets even 1 inch of rain. So you can see that the crops you would grow in Spain would not necessarily work in Savannah, Georgia, and that is something that Oglethorpe learned. In 1739, English colonists in Georgia went to war against Spanish colonists in Florida. Georgia Indians helped fight Spain. So did people from the Carolina colonies. Oglethorpe led troops and kept Georgia safe. Here is a statue in Savannah that honors James Oglethorpe. In 1743, Oglethorpe went back to England. For the rest of his life, he kept working to help people. He wrote letters to newspapers about the problems he saw. He worked to end slavery in England. He gave money to groups that helped other people. This picture right here, it says these students are celebrating Oglethorpe's 300th birthday. Their school is called Oglethorpe Avenue Elementary School. Today, streets are named after Oglethorpe in many Georgia towns. The most important reminder of James Oglethorpe is the state of Georgia itself. Without James Oglethorpe, Georgia might not have been started. Here is a picture of a street sign in Georgia named after James Oglethorpe.